How to play music on Discord with a music bot. Learn how to play music on Discord with a music bot. Join a voice channel, play songs, adjust the volume, and stop music using simple Discord commands. First, open Discord and create a dedicated server for your music bot. Next, open your browser and search for top.gg, a popular directory for Discord bots. Search for a music bot, select one you want to use, and click Invite. Choose your Discord server, review the permissions, complete the verification, and authorize the bot. Once the bot is added, return to Discord and join a voice channel. Now, in the text chat, type /play and select the play command. Enter the name of the song you want to play and send the command. The music bot will join your voice channel and start playing the requested song. You can also adjust the bot's volume if needed. When you're finished, type /stop to stop the music, then disconnect from the voice channel. That's how you can play music on Discord using a music bot. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.